Welcome to the mini course on the Gibbs Phase Rule. The motivation for this course is that the Gibbs Phase Rule is something that has been a stalwart of material in standard physical chemistry courses, although it's becoming less so. And in fact, I've removed it from my course long ago, somewhat reluctantly, but just in the need to get in extra different material. I think it's so important to really go through quantum mechanics very thoroughly, and so thermodynamics tends to get a little bit shortchanged. So if you're coming from a physical chemistry course and you either haven't had the Gibbs Phase Rule or you just sort of briefly were told, here's the Gibbs Phase Rule, then maybe you can get something out of this course. I think you could handle it even if you've just come out of general chemistry. There'll be a few areas, especially early on in the first lecture, that you'll have to just kind of watch us go through and pop out the other side. But the remainder, I think, could be valuable as well. All right, so I'll tell you just a little bit about me very quickly. I'm Darren Allness. I'm in the Department of Chemistry at Concordia College up here in Moorhead, Minnesota in the United States. And I really live my professional life based on this famous quote that's probably in every single physical chemistry book. It's by famous chemist G.N. Lewis, in which he states that physical chemistry is everything that's interesting. And I think you could read this in a couple of ways. One is a little close-minded and say that the only things that are interesting are the sort of traditional topics of physical chemistry. But I read it very, very differently. I read it as physical chemistry provides a way to understand nature such that you're free to explore all the interesting aspects of nature. So I don't see any real boundaries on physical chemistry. So that's the attitude that I take in my professional life, and it's the motivation for this YouTube channel that you're watching called the GN Lewis Project, or the GNL Project, where I'm going to try to collect together long courses, short courses, and all things physical chemistry and beyond. Okay, so that's the introduction to this course. I hope you get something out of it, and I'll see you in the next lecture.